Isn't that easier? I think if I have to wake up every morning and huatsong and stick things here, I will be tired. I don't think I can do it. Because you already spend 1 hour doing that. Getting dressed, putting makeup on, you waste 1 hour. I can do all that in 10 minutes. I can get dressed, put my lip gloss on, get my clothes ready, and go to work in 15 minutes. I don't care about how I look too much. I care about how I feel about myself. In Taiwan, we have a problem with depression. The children are depressed. The people are depressed. Everybody is depressed. And more you will see, instead of people looking like, "Oh, John, how are you?" We're looking like this. What the hell's John looking at? John, right? So we become mentally unhappy. Now, when we do exercise, our body gives off one chemical that's called endorphin. Endorphin is the chemical that makes you happy. Every time you do exercise, even if you do this for 1 minute, your body gives off that endorphin. After you do this for 1 minute, you will feel like, hey, I'm a new person, right? So when we do exercise, it makes you happy. It's like laughing. Every time you laugh a lot. When was the last time you laughed until you have tears in your face? Maybe when you were a kid, right? You don't do that every day. But if you do laugh, you do have exercise. Your body is working because your stomach, the muscle, is contracting. So even when you laugh, but I don't think you're every day going to sit there for 15 minutes and and the people will think you're crazy, right? So that's why you will see, actually we as people, you can turn back the clock. You can turn back the clock of time. But to lie on your couch, on the sofa every day and say, tomorrow, you're never going to do it. My mother told me one thing. If you don't begin right now, you will never do it. If you put things off for tomorrow you won't do it. I can tell you 80% you won't do it. So every time when you decide something, I want to do this. I decided I'm going to do this. When you leave the building, go home and get ready. You don't even need all this. This, like $500 that's lying here. I bought that at Jalanpur, by the way. That weights at Carrefour. I didn't even go to an expensive shop, just Carrefour. I bought this, okay, this was expensive, $250 at Nike, because it's a good jumper. But even $250. You spend $2,500 on SK2. No, not even. $7,000, I think. You will spend on Huatsong. Leave that crap, you don't need that. You need a bottle of water, you need this, and you need good running shoes. That's all you need. Now, you will see my shoes. I wear them today so that you can see them. They are the best teaching shoes you can get. They're called Skechers. They are good for your hip. I think you've seen them before and heard of them before, right? When I have to walk very far every day. I have to climb 4 stairs 15 times a day. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And I have to walk fast because there's only 10 minutes between these classes. When I was teaching, I felt, who gets swollen legs? Who sometimes feel the leg is 水肿, or feel tired, right? The legs feel tired. Get these shoes for teaching. If you have to stand on your legs the whole day and you don't want to wear kaukenshire, then, and you still want to look tall, then you get these shoes. They're the best shoes to get. And then, last but not the most important thing, stop drinking yin liang. Start drinking water. It's for free. It's healthy. Stop drinking these teas and juices and stuff that you get. Even the juice that you buy outside is not good for you. Every day, take a bottle. Begin small. If you're not really a water drinker, okay, at least begin with this. At least begin with this. Later, walk your way up to a 2,000 cc bottle. That's what you need to drink actually in Taiwan because it's hot. We sweat a lot and we talk a lot. Yes or not? So you need a big bottle and make sure you tell yourself, I can only drink in now when I finish that bottle of water. And let me tell you, when you finish that bottle of water, you don't want in now. You want the toilet. Okay, so do this for yourself. Go and get a big bottle. And right there, make a little heart. So you can remember it's for your heart. I love myself. Drink the bottle. Drink it, finish. After that, you won't want to drink it now. You don't, and same with eating. Who likes to eat a lot? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I do. I eat a lot, I like dianxin. Okay, so how do I stop myself? Before I eat something, I ask myself, are you really hungry or are you thirsty? I go and I get a bottle of water, I drink 10 sips. Then I know I wasn't hungry, I was just thirsty. Who of you sometimes feel headache? Who always suffer headaches? You don't drink enough water. You are dehydrated. You get headaches because your body is dehydrated. You don't drink enough water. So if you have a headache, drink 6 cups of water and take a rest and take a deep breath. Relax your neck. If you still have a headache after that, you might have high blood pressure or sugar problem that you gotta go check the doctor for. So what you have to do every day is you have to remember, you have to drink water, do exercise, and breathe. And I mean every day 10 times you have to do for 10 times. When we walk, make sure you walk straight. What is straight? Shoulders out, stomach in, pigu up, hands straight, and walk nice and nice. This is your walking way. Don't walk like this. Don't walk like that. You're hurting your body, okay? Your bones will become the shape. Same when you sit down. I'll switch here. I think Michael wants to be quiet. Here is a chair. Okay, you look at the chair and you think, yeah, I sit down every day, sure. or no. You shouldn't sit too straight. That's wrong. You should sit like this, relaxed, never cross your legs. Okay, it's not good for you. Put down your feet softly and relax your hands. Make sure your stomach is open and your heart is up. You don't have to sit like this. That's also not good. All right. So, do you have any question? No question? Okay. Yes?
What is it bad to cross your leg?
Oh, because you have veins, big veins in your legs. So if you cross your legs, you shut down the vein. If the vein has no way to pump the blood, the vein will burst. And you will have lots of broken veins on your legs. Various veins. Because when you cross the leg, you put weight on the leg. So the blood can't move through the vein. And then what will happen is, because it's pushing and pushing, and then the vein will pop, then you have the little things on the little veins on your legs. That's called various veins.
You said that before exercising, after exercise, it's better to drink protein. Why?
Protein, 蛋白质.
Why?
Because your muscle, when you do exercise, you shock your muscle and you hurt your muscle in some way. When we drink protein, the muscle will suck the protein and build up itself and become stronger. And the next morning, you won't feel, oh, yesterday I shouldn't go to the gym. You look now, my leg. Right? You won't have any problem the next day because you already put the protein that the muscle needs to grow. Yeah, so protein powder. In Taiwan, you can get it in many places. Drink some of that. Even if you don't work out but you're hungry, but you can't eat food, because if you eat food, you're going to eat quickly, rather drink protein powder. Because it's not good to sit there and down food so fast. Okay. Any other question?
谢谢各位啊。